You should know and understand the oxygen hemoglobin dissociation curve. You should be able to explain it. Briefly, this black line here is our standard oxygen hemoglobin dissociation curve, how oxygen dissociates under certain conditions. We want to know how to manipulate that. If we have a shift right, what's happening? If we have a shift left, what's happening? Remember the acronym CADET. So C stands for CO2, A stands for acidic pH, D stands for 2,3 BPG or DPG, same thing. E stands for exercise, T stands for temperature. If we increase any of those things, we move to the right. So if we have a decreased pH, we have an increased hydrogen concentration, hydrogen ion concentration, then we shift to the right. If these things decrease, so if we have an increased pH, that one's the confusing one, that's the oddball out. If we have a decreased CO2, a decreased temperature, decreased 2,3 BPG, we'll move to the left. You should just understand that basically, super simply, but be able to apply it. So they could ask questions about somebody that has an increased body temperature. What's happening to their oxygen in the tissues? What's happening to it in the lungs? Questions like that. Be able to manipulate it, understand how this graph works.